Hey there again, Coinscrummers. So after another successful Coinscrum event, first one of 2023, we're here with Suzanne Hubble of Komainu, who's going to tell us a little bit about what she does, her role in the organisation, and also what Komainu does. So good evening, nice to meet you again.
And thanks for a great night. It's been brilliant. So I'm Suzanne Hubble. I'm COO over at Komainu. My job is to make sure the service we provide operates effectively. We give clients absolute excellent service, and we deliver innovative solutions to our customers. As a custodian built by institutions for institutions, we're very much focused on the institutional end of the spectrum. We're looking to provide a very trusted, reliable, clear custody solution so people know exactly what they're getting and the protections they're benefiting from.
Cool. And can you tell us a little bit about what you've maybe got coming up in the next couple of months, or anything that you're working on that's very, very special right now?
Yeah, look, there's always it's always an evolving product. So bringing more staking products to market. We're working a lot on collateral solutions, so tri-party collateral solutions, so clients can keep their collateral safe at the custodians, but still benefit from trading lines with trading partners. And also a lot of work with exchanges to be able to hold your pre-funding for exchanges with your custodian, but still be able to trade on the exchange. Fix the perennial exchange problem that we've seen a bit too much of in the press recently.
Yeah, cool, definitely. Okay, listen, Suzanne, thank you very much for answering our questions.
No problem.
And thanks for coming down, and hopefully we'll see you at another Coinscrum in the future.
Absolutely. All right.
Take care, Coinscrum.
Thanks, guys.